thing. Recorded, yes. You're being surveilled, but you knew that. Okay, so let's go to the how do you write a how-to assignment? Okay, any questions about this? I've shared authoring privileges with you on Blogger. You should have that in your email so you can set up your Blogger account. Let me show you. What was I wanting to show you in here? Oh no. Oh. Let's go in here. I don't want to mess up. I had to borrow my son's computer because my camera quit working, or actually it's never worked. I'm trying to get it fixed. So Blogger. Yeah, here we go. Louisiana Anthology Cookbook. So I went through permissions and I invited all of you. 6 have responded so far, good. The rest of you go ahead and accept the invitation to author, and then you'll be able to do a new post and put in your recipe. And be very careful to use the code that I posted for you right here. And then you post that into the here. Unfortunately, I did all of these directions and then they updated the Blogger interface. So just quickly copy that. That is your root code. Delete what's in there, you paste the new code. Then you go back to compose. So you do that in HTML view, go back to compose view, and you just substitute your ingredients. For mine, you can add a line or take out a line, then substitute your directions. Click on that and change the link to the particular recipe you do, and put your name in there and the new date. Leave the Louisiana Anthology the same. Okay, so that's a basic, and I have more on that on the website. Now, some of you have been, none of this is grades, it's just forum stuff. No, that's not right. So be sure when you sign up, recipe sign up sheet. Here we go. Just randomly, all your choices have been taken and done already. So how do you make sure that my choices are new choices? We go to the README file, do the syllabus, how to, and each cookbook has a file with its list of recipes, and the ones that say taken and done or have one of your names on it, don't pick those. So the first one available here is oyster soup for 6 people. And then you would put page 8. You can do the calf head soup, that one's free. Because you never know when you're going to end up with the calf head. Sometimes these are not bold, but you can see the open recipe. So just be sure that you select open recipes and then put one of your own in there. insert pictures in one of them. That's kind of it. And I don't want to belabor it because all of this is in assignment 1. But if you have any questions so far, go ahead and ask them now, because other people have the same question.
I do have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it all of the recipes that we chose, or just a single one and the one that we chose ourselves at the cookbook?
You will do a total of 4 recipes, 3 from one of the books, and then one of your own personal favorites, like ramen noodles.
Okay, I was thank you. I was just confused on like which ones I was required to do.
I will put a list of the ones. I'll assign you the top 3 that haven't been chosen yet. So some of you got that done, so you have your list. Some of you need to put your list down or put in a new list that has stuff that's available. We only want one old recipe converted once to our cooking blog. Although there are a few that have slipped by and we have multiple versions of the same recipe. All right, any more questions about this assignment?
Do we just post it to Blogger or
yes,
turn it into Moodle?
Go into Blogger and I will grade them there. Now, what I mean by grade is I'll come in and look at it and then I will text you in your forum with notes about what needs to be done next. So like one common thing, people forget to put periods at the end of their sentences. So I'll put a note back in here. Your directions need periods at the end of the sentence. That's a good one. It's easy to fix. Sometimes people, do not do these in Word and then paste them over. Word blows up computer HTML code with its own proprietary nonsense. It messes it up, and also it's hellacious to try to fix. It's not an easy fix. So if you'll, put it in a text editor, plain text editor, something like that. If you want to do it somewhere else, or just, put the stuff in here. I think you'll find, put it in here. There we go. All right, more questions about the recipes? Again, I don't want to belabor stuff that's already here, but I do want to, some of this stuff may not be the clearest, so go ahead and ask. Let's make that a little bigger. Much better. All right, so is that it for the recipes? All right, I am going to stop recording because I want to put these in